The Pro Mini Angle Belt Sander will handle everything from light body work to full fabrication work. With a unique adjustable sanding arm, there are so many uses for this 3/4 inch wide belt sander. Since cars rarely come apart in the order in which they were assembled, it is more than likely a weld or two will be difficult to reach. With a 7-inch reach arm, you'll have the ability to reach out to that tight spot. Pivoting the last 3 inches up to 50-degree angle really sets this belt sander apart from the competition. Now you have the ability to almost reach around the corner, something previously thought impossible. Once pivoted, you'll now also have a little bit more slack on the back of the belt, making it perfect for cleaning up tubing before welding, eliminating the need to constantly walk back and forth to a bench-mounted grinder. You can leave this belt sander right next to you while deep in a roll cage welding project to quickly clean up tubing before welding, saving yourself from having to crawl in and out of the car each time a quick clean is necessary.